Selling online courses. How to make $5,000 a month. Most people think you need a massive audience to make real money selling online courses. They're wrong. I know creators making $5,000 a month with under 10,000 followers. And I'm about to show you exactly how they're doing it. Here's what nobody tells you. The course industry hit $56 billion last year. That's not hype. That's real money changing hands. And most of that money isn't going to the gurus with 1 million followers. It's going to regular people in regular niches who understood one simple thing. You don't sell to everyone. You sell to the exact person who needs your help right now. Let's break down how to actually make $5,000 a month. Because I'm not talking theory here. Part 1. Pick the right niche. This is where 90% of people fail. They pick niches they think will make money instead of niches where people are desperate to spend money. Those are different things. Wrong niche? How to get rich. Right niche? How to optimize your 401k contributions to maximize employer matching. See the difference? One is crowded noise. The other is someone at their kitchen table at 9 p.m. thinking about their retirement. The best niches follow this pattern. They solve a specific problem. They're in someone's daily life. And there's proven demand. Think about weight loss for women over 40. Freelance writing for corporate professionals. Real estate investing on a part-time basis. Solopreneur accounting basics. Here's your test. Can you describe the exact person taking this course in one sentence? If you can't, your niche is too broad. When I say my course is for nurses who want to start a side business, that's specific enough. That person exists. They're searchable. They're ready to buy. Part 2. Build your first course the right way. Most people spend 6 months building a perfect course nobody wants. Instead, spend 2 weeks building a course people will actually buy. Here's the structure. 3 to 5 modules. 4 to 8 video lessons per module. Totaling 3 to 4 hours of content. That's it. Not 20 hours. Not 50. 3 to 4 hours of dense, applicable knowledge. Why? Because people don't want to consume content. They want to solve their problem and move on. Your job is to get them from point A to point B as efficiently as possible. Now the pricing question everyone asks. How much do I charge? If you're starting, charge between $47 and $97. I know that sounds low compared to the $500 courses you see advertised. But here's the math. 100 sales at $79 equals $7,900 in revenue. After payment processing, you're keeping about $6,000. That happens in your first month if you have the right audience. This is where your YouTube channel actually matters. You don't need millions of subscribers. You need an engaged audience that trusts you. If you have 3,000 subscribers and you launch a course, you should expect at least 3 to 5% conversion. That's 90 to 150 sales immediately. Part 3. Make $5,000 a month consistently. This is the part everyone skips. They make a course. It sells for a month. Then it dies. Here's how to keep the money flowing. Step 1. Set up your sales page on a platform like Kajabi or Teachable. These platforms handle everything. You're not learning WordPress. You're not managing servers. You're uploading your videos and getting paid. Step 2. Create a waitlist before you launch. Spend 2 weeks on your YouTube channel, in your email list, or wherever your audience lives talking about the problem you're solving. By launch day, you have a list of people waiting to buy. That's your first 100 to 200 sales right there. Step 3. Run the course once a month. Open enrollment for 3 days. Close it. Deliver the course. Repeat next month. This scarcity model works because people know if they miss the window, they wait 30 days. Step 4. Repurpose everything. Your course videos become YouTube shorts. Your modules become blog posts. Your lessons become email sequences. One piece of content works 5 times. The math to $5,000 a month is simple. 50 to 60 sales per month at $85 average equals roughly $5,000. That's totally achievable with consistent promotion. Call to action. The money in online courses isn't in selling to thousands of people. It's in solving a real problem for your real audience. Start today. Pick your niche this week. Build your course next week. Launch it the week after. Subscribe right now because next week we're showing you the exact sales page template that converts at 6%. That's the difference between a course that makes $500 and one that makes $5,000. Let's go.